Hunter children to do this year. The Queen Quet coming to Hunter one more again for COP22 for Gullah Geechee TV. Before I first get your email catch a thing like that, but we Twitter feed and thing, I been see people been to tweet this your wall where they been to throw up all the animal and thing like that for Hunter children for see. I mean, I wonder why they been to throw that in, but they been to throw that in for all the creatures and thing whose life and thing are changed or some going extinct because of climate change. Now, Hunter see the coulda, the snow and thing like that. So before I first get you, I been first see the coulda. I been see the polar bear and all the thing been on there. But now when I get you, I know why I supposed to get to this here spot, because I been want to see the coulda too. Because plenty time Hunter children in the north say the sea level rise the one thing, but the ocean acidification the another rest of thing. Well, we to deal with pun the sea islands and thing like that in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So as Hunter can see, we try to project to the world why Hunter have to act on climate change. It's not just about the human beings, it's about the other creatures of the world too. And so it's wonderful to not just see the built environment in a historic city, but to see it being used for such a wonderful opportunity to teach about why we're all here. So here it is that you can see this wall is talking, and as they say, a picture is worth how many words, y'all? So then what is that video worth? How many words to you? Is it enough that you're gonna act and join the rest of us now in changing the climate of the world for the better? Because we all can do something. Play your part, and let's keep the cultures and the creatures alive.
Si tout le monde, je veux que tout le monde fait le décompte avec moi à partir de 10. يلا شوف مزيان شوف 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
يلا زيدها يلا 8
watching a Russian military vessel that's been sailing near a U.S. nuclear missile submarine base. Officials say the ship is down and towed again.